Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. If you saw my last video, you saw I took the Corvette out in the rain. So it's pretty dirty and the wheels are dirty as well with brake dust and of course the debris from the rain. But today we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna clean the wheels and shine up the tires, which I haven't done yet on these new tires. And we're gonna use the same 303 products, tire clean and tire balm that I used on my Jeep a few weeks ago. So stay tuned. So here's a look at the dirty wheel, tons of brake dust, and as you can see, it's pretty dirty. May not be able to pick it up on camera, but yeah, it's dirty. The products we're gonna use are these 303 products, and these can be found in the description below on my Amazon store. So be sure to check them out if you want, and then we'll get to cleaning them. I'm gonna start by spraying down the wheel, get all the loose brake dust off. All right, I'm gonna generously apply the wheel cleaner, and it instantly turns blue because of all that brake dust on the wheels and tires. And again, I have not cleaned these tires yet since I just got them on. And as you can see, very blue. It actually looks cool. It's kind of, I like the blue theme, so pretty neat looking there. I have a soft bristle brush that I'm gonna go over and massage that all into the wheel and tire. And on the Corvette, I like to also clean the barrel of the wheels because you can see all the way through. So I use a microfiber cloth and stick my hand in there, go all the way around. Now for the final rinse. Now we'll let that dry and then we can apply the tire balm. So the wheel's nice and dry, and I'm gonna apply some of the tire balm on the tire now to shine it up. So there you go, very nice shine and clean wheel. Depending how much shine you want, you could apply another coat after it dries, about 10 minutes, put another coat on. But I don't like them too shiny, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. But anyway guys, definitely check out those products in my Amazon store below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys.